Fire Protection Fundamentals 190. Hi, my name is Jackson Escano. I am from the Philippines. I am also a newcomer here in Canada. I am so happy to share that I just reunited with my family last November 2024. To tell you honestly, I am so blessed and grateful that my family are here to support me and encourage me to take a program that will help me to start my new life and help me choose to have a better future together, as Canada is one of the most welcoming countries for everyone. Why I choose this program? I choose this program, Fire Protection Technician, because it is my passion, interest to learn about fire protection, and I would love to learn on fire alarm system to prevent and protect especially people's lives and safety measures for the community and property. Canada is also the best way to have a better future and to have a better job to help us support and guide us to continue our passion and interest towards building our future to help protect our communities. Important organizations and certifications. National Institute for Certification in Engineering Technologies, or NICET, offers certifications like Fire Alarm System, Level 1 and Level 2, which are widely recognized in the industry. Canadian Fire Alarm Association, or CFAA, if you're in Canada. CFAA provides a fire alarm technician training program that includes courses and exams to become a registered fire alarm technician. National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA certifications, such as Certified Fire Protection Specialist and Certified Fire Inspector CFI-1, are valuable for showcasing expertise in fire safety and alarm systems. Deluge system and pressure gauge. Deluge system is a sprinkler system employing open sprinkler or nozzle that is attached to the piping system that is connected to the water system through a valve that is opened by the operator of a detection system installed in the same areas as the sprinklers or the nozzles. When the valve is open, water flows into the piping system and discharging from all sprinkler or nozzle attached thereto. Oh, it's a clapper. Sorry, it's not a pressure gauge. A clapper in a fire sprinkler system is the key component of certain types of valves, such as dry pipe valve, or check valves. Its functions are separation of air and water, it activates mechanism, and also the backflow prevention. What is a firefighter? Firefighters undergo rigorous physical and mental training to prepare for their duties, often working in teams to respond quickly and efficient in emergencies. Their work is crucial in ensuring public safety and maintaining community resilience. Roles and responsibilities. Medical response. Medical assistant providing emergency. Medical care, as many firefighters are also trained as first responders or paramedics. The rescue response. Assisting people in the hazardous situations, such as car accidents, building collapses, or natural disasters. Non-emergency response, conducting inspections, educating communities about fire safety, and enforcing fire codes to reduce the risk of fires. Fire response or fire suppression, extinguishing fire in homes, business, forests, and other locations to prevent damage and save lives. Fire inspection. Fire inspection is a process conducted to ensure that building and facilities comply with the fire safety regulations and are equipped to prevent and respond to fire emergencies. Roles and responsibility. Inspection. This is applied to all or existing building. Conducting inspections, examining buildings' fire protection system and safety equipment to ensure they meet all the legal standards. Inspection, inspect and test the fire protection equipment and system. Inspect, test fire equipment, detecting potential fire risks such as faulty wiring, black exits, or flammable materials, and recommending um, educating the public, promoting fire prevention awareness through educational program for business and communities. Fire sprinkler technician. A fire sprinkler technician is a professional responsible for the installation, maintenance, inspection, and repair of fire sprinkler system. These systems are critical for fire protection in residential, commercial, and industrial building. Roles and responsibility. Installations. Installing sprinkler system. It is the setting up fire sprinkler system in residentials, commercials, and industrial building according to design and plans and safety codes. Inspection and testing, diagnosing and resolving problem with sprinkler system, including leaks, blockage, and malfunction. Maintenance and repair, performing routine inspection, testing, and servicing to ensure systems are operational. They fix or replace faulty components like pipes, valves, and sprinkler heads. Insurance risk management. Insurance risk management involve identifying accessing and mitigating risks to protect individual businesses and organizations from potential finances losses. It combines the principle of risk management with insurance solutions to provide the safety net against unforeseen events. Roles and responsibility. Risk identification. Identifying and evaluating fire hazard in properties to determine the level of risk, recommending preventive measure. Loss mitigation. Collaborating with the client to implement strategies that reduce the likelihood and the impact of fire incidents, such as emergency preparedness plan. Risk financing. Providing fire insurance policies that cover damages caused by the incident, ensuring financing stability for policyholder. Monitoring and review, encouraging fire safety measures. Insurer often incentive the adoptions of fire prevention systems such as fire alarms, sprinkler, and extinguishers by offering lower premiums of property with these safety features. Consulting. Code consulting involves providing expert advice and solution to ensure that buildings and projects comply with local, national, and international code and standards. This service is essential in fields like construction, fire safety, and energy efficiency. Roles and responsibility, building code compliance. Fire code consultants help building owners, architects, and engineering understand and adhere to local, national, and international fire safety codes. These include ensuring proper design, construction, and maintenance of fire protection system, fire code consulting, the energy code consulting, and the performance-based design. They perform inspection to verify the fire safety system and that are functioning correctly and that the building remains compliant with the fire codes. The risk assessment, they conduct thorough evaluation of building to identify potential fire hazard and recommend measures to mitigate risks. Historic fire. The Ozone Disco Fire, one of the deadliest nightclub fires in history, occurred on March 18, 1996 in Quezon City, Philippines. Here are the key details. Incidents. The fire broke out just before midnight during a celebration attended by around 350 patrons, mostly students, marking the end of the school year. Tragically, the venue's capacity was only 35 people. The cause? The fire is believed to have started due on to an electrical fault near the DJ's booth. Sparks were initially mistaken for special effect, delaying evacuation, and the casualty is at least 162 people lost their lives and 95 were injured. Many victims were trapped due to overcrowding and inadequate emergency exits. Safety violations. They found out or investigated revealed that the club lacked proper fire exit and some doors were locked, exa- exacerbating the tragedy. Relation to fire alarm technician of this historical fire. This tragedy underscores the importance of fire alarm technicians in safeguarding lives by ensuring that fire detections and alarm systems are reliable and up to date. It also serves as a reminder to all the need for strict adherence to fire safety regulations. Fire tetrahedron. The fire tetrahedron is a model that represents the four essential elements required for a fire to ignite and sustain itself. Applications is a fire suppression, fire preventions, and also it requires training. Combustion. Combustion is a chemical process of rapid oxidating or oxidations of fuel, producing heat, light, and gases. It is underlying mechanism of fire. Applications, fire alarm system, material testing, and fire extinguishing agents. Ethics. Ethics refers to the principle of right and wrong that guide an individual's behavior and decision making. It encompasses values such as honesty, integrity, fairness, and accountability, ensuring actions align with moral and professional standards. Impact of ethics in fire protection, integrity in system installations, accountability in maintenance, compliance with regulations, transparent communication, prioritizing safety over profit, equity, diversity, and inclusion, or EDI. EDI are increasingly recognized as vital in the field of fire protection. The importance of EDI, representation, innovation, teamwork, accessibility, compliance. Inclusive community engagement, fire protection relies heavily on educating and collaborating with diverse communities Embracing EDI ensures that outreach programs are designed to address the unique address awareness and improve communication in fire protection. Clear communication is vital during emergencies, and diverse workforce can better address language barriers and cultural sensitivities, ensuring effective emergency response and safety education. UN Sustainable Goal and Impact to the Fire Alarm Technician. Relevant SDGs, Sustainable Cities and Communities, Climate Action, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure, Impact on Fire Alarm Technicians. It is promoting safety, reducing environmental impact, advancing technology. Oh, here are my references. Um, it's too small. Cannot read it. I'm sorry. Okay, go to the next slide then. Reasons why you choose fire alarm technician. Fire alarm technicians play a vital role in saving lives and protecting property by ensuring fire detection system function properly. Compliance with the fire safety codes and regulation ensures consistent opportunity for employment. The job combines technical knowledge, hands-on work, and interaction with clients, offering variety and challenge. Modern fire alarm systems are integrated with energy efficient and sustainable building designs, allowing the technician to contribute to environmental preservation. The career enables technicians to build technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and knowledge of electrical system, fire codes, and emerging technology. Routine duties as a fire alarm technician. Installation of fire alarm system. They also inspect and test, maintaining and repairs, maintain detailed record of system installation inspections and repairs, and they also educate clients. Here are some employers, name and detail that they made. Okay, here's the name of employer, which the one I choose was the Toronto Transit Commission because it is one of the largest transit system in Canada, diverse transit network. It is also commitment to safety and accessibility, governance and history. Why you hope to work there? I would like to contribute to my community, also for a career growth, and also it will give impact to my work to the environment. Ranking other preferences career, I should say I would like to be a fire alarm technician, firefighter, fire or maybe fire inspection, fire sprinkler system, insurance risk management, and the code consulting.